Right here in Duval County, more than 20,000 households don't have checking or savings accounts. Bank on Northeast Florida is working to change that by connecting residents to safe, affordable banking options. Joining us now is Carla Carter. She is the Vice President of Home Ownership Promotion with Wealth Watchers. We are joined here with you this morning. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So tell us how important this is when it comes to having those savings account especially when you are new to a city too as well. You never know what can happen.
It's really important because if you're trying to establish a foundation, whether you're wanting to purchase a home, get a job, or start a business, having that traditional relationship with the bank is so critical and important. And our coalition, the thing that we do is teach financial literacy. Our banking partners and the FDIC, they have Money Smart, different curriculums available for people to understand how to handle your money. So a lot of people nowadays are using fintech, the online banking, but it's important to establish that traditional banking relationship, having your direct deposits, and it helps you to avoid additional fees so that you can save more of your money. So Bank On and our Bank On Coalition just want you to know that there are safe, affordable accounts for you to have access to your money.
When it comes to these access to these accounts, we said it, over 20,000 households don't have savings or even a banking account. What is it that you guys help with to help people out in the Jacksonville area realize how important this is? How do you get to them?
So we have over 25 banking institutions, banks and credit unions that are a part of our coalition. And on our website, bankonnortheastflorida.com or bankonnefl.com, you can actually go to the account section and see what account allows you to have an entry into banking, because these accounts are set up that you can have low deposits and sometimes there's no overdraft fees. So it's an entry into banking to allow you to get familiar with your banking partners so that you can have this opportunity to grow from there.
Oftentimes a lot of people are fearful of the outcome when you reach out. How do you make them more comfortable in talking about finances?
So we bring awareness with our different programs that we do. Like we just had a resiliency summit where we did a poverty simulator. We brought our social service folks together so that they could see with banking what some of the issues that people deal with, because sometimes we're in this space but we don't really understand, the empathy isn't there. So our summit allowed us to all walk in the shoes of those people so that we would know how to better serve the customers that we work with.
Speaking of customers that you work with, who are they? What do they look like? Can it be anyone, and how young can you be?
It is anyone. You know, we work with so many people, from folks starting in the job market, whether you're 13, 16, starting your first job, all the way up to people who are re-entering society. So understanding that our relationships with our banks, with the check systems, giving you an opportunity that if you needed another chance, maybe you had a banking relationship and now you need a new banking relationship. Our customers look like everyone.
So if anyone's interested in learning a little bit more about you all, how do they go about finding you?
So I would definitely follow us on all of our socials. We're on every social platform, and we have a website, bankonnefl.com.
Any events coming up too happening for you all?
We just had a resiliency summit last week on Thursday, and then we have a big summit coming up in April, but we are always active on social media, and our banking partners are always there ready to give free financial literacy classes.
All right, Carla, thank you so much for joining us here on Good Morning Jacksonville.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. We'll be right back.